Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some smothered turkey wings. Yes, so this is my turkey wings that I already washed and cleaned with lemon, vinegar and lime. So this is the amount that I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna use a lot, okay? So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cajun seasoning, okay? I don't really use salt on my meat too much because sometimes the seasoning already full of so much salt, so that's the reason why. But guys, if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever one you have at home, okay? So first, I'm just gonna add some olive oil, at least 3 spoons of olive oil to my turkey wings, just for it to be nice and moist. Then I'm gonna add some of my jerk wet seasoning, and I'm gonna add 1 spoon, okay? Yes, that should be good enough for me. Then I'm gonna blend my seasoning together, make sure it is all combined. Then I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over on my turkey wings. I'm gonna leave back this amount of seasoning for my gravy, okay? Yes. And I'm gonna also add at least 1 spoon of my dark soya sauce, just to give it some color. Then I'm just gonna take my nice clean hand, and you just wanna mix it all in. Just make sure that everything is all combined, okay? These are some big turkey wings. They are huge. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing, guys. The seasoning with the jerk seasoning smells so good. So that's done. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or even overnight. But guys, as I always said, if you don't have all the time, you just cook it as it is, because that's exactly what I'm gonna do, and it's still gonna be delicious. Trust me, it is. So here I have my tray, guys, and to my tray I add a grill on top, okay? So what I did, I just add some olive oil all over on my tray so my turkey wings doesn't dry, and then I'm gonna also add some water, so when the turkey is in the oven, the turkey wings, it keep moist, okay? So that's the reason why I add at least ½ cup of water, okay? So now I'm just gonna add my turkey wings to my tray, like so. Just make sure you spread it all out. And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 35 to 40 minutes, okay? And 150 degrees Celsius. Yes. Just gonna add the remaining marinade. Then I'm also gonna add some olive oil on top. Then I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, and I'm just gonna leave it uncovered. Okay, so stay tuned. It look amazing and it's not even finished. Super, super delicious. So guys, it's been just over 40 minutes and I just removed my turkey wings from the oven, and this is what it look like. As you can see, it is so nice, so juicy, and it is nice and brown, and that's exactly how I want it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over and put it back in my oven for at least 35 to 40 minutes. Okay? Yes. I could have just fry them, but I never want to fry them. I rather do it this way. Yeah. And it's more healthier this way than frying them. I'm just gonna add some olive oil on top. Then I'm gonna add my remaining, I just add just a bit of water to my bowl that I use to season my turkey wings in. You're just gonna add it to your turkey wings like so. So back in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, my turkey wings is finally finished, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, it looking super, super delicious. I mean, just look at the color. It is perfectly, perfectly done. So, 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 so good. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. What you can do, you can take some of the liquid from the bottom and just pour it all over also. Like that. Gonna give you guys an up close look. So good. Oh my goodness, this is like food prawn. Super, super good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove them, guys, and put them to my plate, because I'm gonna make my smothered sauce. So all that liquid that leave back from my turkey wings, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour it all in a bowl. Then guys, I'm gonna make my smothered gravy with it. Okay, so make sure you don't throw it away. So here I have my pot on the stove, guys, and to my pot I'm gonna add at least 2 spoons of butter. Okay, you just want to allow your butter to melt, and my stove is on a low heat. You don't want to turn it up too high. So after your butter is all melt, now I'm gonna add half of onion and 1 garlic. Okay, and you're just gonna allow it to saute, guys, just for a couple of seconds, not so long. So just after a couple of seconds, this is what it look like. If it need any more butter, you can always add at least 1 spoon of butter. Okay, yes. So now I'm gonna add at least 3 spoons of plain flour. okay? And you just want to gradually mix it. Because what the butter does, guys, the butter is gonna take away the flour taste from your gravy, okay? So that's why, especially if you're gonna add the flour. You just mix it, guys, for at least 1 minute. So just after 1 minute, this is what this look like. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do, you see the bowl that I removed the liquid from my oven. So now I'm gonna add at least ½ cup of water to that bowl. Just want to mix it. Then I'm gonna add it to my pot. And you just want to mix it all in. Make sure that it is nice and smooth, okay? Then I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning. And some salt, at least ½ teaspoon of salt. And you can always taste to your liking, okay? Just gonna add just a drop of brown into it, not a lot, because I don't want it to be so dark. Oops, yes, that's perfect. That is perfect. I don't need no more. The gravy is getting all thick, and that's exactly how you want it. This is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add just a small amount of fresh thyme and scallion to my gravy, okay? I'm just gonna cut it all up. It's just gonna add more flavor, okay? Then I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my jerk marinate. Please don't add a lot. You only need a small amount, not a lot. It all depends how spicy you want it to be, okay? I'm gonna add some garlic to it, garlic powder. At least 1 spoon of garlic powder. And just a bit of water, guys, at least 1/4 cup, just to loosen it up a bit, okay? So this is how you want it. You don't want it to be too thick. This is perfect. So now I'm gonna add my turkey wings, okay? Honestly, guys, it looks so good. Super delicious. This recipe right here is a must try. Your families, your friends, everyone gonna enjoy it. Then you're just gonna take all that smothering gravy, guys, and you're gonna pour it on your turkey wings like so. Oh my goodness. Oh my, honestly, guys, this is like food prawn. Trust me, it looks super delicious. I wish you guys would be in my kitchen. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. guys, please make sure you share this video to your families, to your friends, everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys, so please support my channel. So now guys, I'm gonna add some sweet pepper. You're just gonna add the sweet pepper on top like so, and I'm just gonna allow it just to cook down for at least 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Gonna cover my pot, so stay tuned. Guys, my smothered turkey wings is all finished, and this is what it look like. It looking super delicious. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. This is how the gravy look. Nicely done. Not too thick guys, a bit runny, and that's exactly how you want it, okay? You can serve it with some plain rice, some mashed potato, you know, whatever you preferred. I'm gonna serve mine with some mashed potato. Yes. Don't forget guys to thumbs the video up. I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you how it looks on the plate, okay? So stay tuned. So I'm just plating it all up, and I'm telling you guys, as I said, it looking super delicious. And guys, trust me, it tastes amazing. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. It is so good. I mean, just look at it, so juicy. Oh my goodness, this recipe right here is a must try. Guys, don't forget to pour all that smothered gravy all over on your turkey wings. I'm telling you, this is like food prawn. I'm so excited because this came out so good. Oh my goodness, just look at it. So perfect. So now I'm just gonna taste my smothered turkey wings for you guys. I just add that scotch bonnet pepper on top just for presentation. It is totally optional. Oh my goodness, guys, do you see that? It is so nice, so moist. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so good. I mean, just look at it. It nicely cut. It's not tough. Oh my goodness, honestly guys, it tastes amazing. I give this recipe 10 out of 10 because trust me, it is super delicious. I serve mine with some mashed potato. Okay, you can serve it with rice, as I said, whatever you preferred. Guys, please don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to thumbs me up. I thank you all so much for watching this video. If you do try this recipe, please don't forget to comment below, okay? Until next time, bye.